One, to the mirror, to the audience. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you're over here. All right? Good. Right. Yeah, since Claudine came all the way from Florida, let's look at Claudine. No, wait. She's going to do it now. Then we'll see if she's going to clap.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I fed her a steak the other day, too, so, and 2 glasses of wine, so. Okay, watch. Watch. You just have to do the right thing. You all could do that, but you're doing it incorrectly. Do you understand? It's not that you can't do it, it's that you're not doing it. Okay? All right. Second group. Is it second group? Second group? First group?